Hi everyone, my name is Taylor Green. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates. So we've had a lot of the same questions being asked on our last video, I believe it was, as to why we didn't irrigate. Now, we have to use clinical judgment, and we use clinical judgment for every patient that comes in. We do have guidelines, earwax removal guidelines that we have to follow. Now, you can irrigate with tinnitus, but you have to take caution and you have to use the lowest setting on the machines, which we always do here with every patient. But in this particular case, the patient's tinnitus was so severe, this is where I've just purely taken my own clinical judgment and decided against the irrigation. So the curettage that we've used is silent, it's not going to produce any noise, and it's not going to interfere with the tinnitus. So it's just keeping that patient as comfortable as possible. And also, if you're not sure which video we're relating to, we're going to leave a link below for you to follow. So I hope that answers your question.